this is after. Let's take a look inside. Hello.
Hi. How are you doing?
Oh, I am way too much fun.
You caught us in the middle of lunch. So I'm Christine, and this is Janet.
Hello.
Hello.
This is our little bus. So obviously you saw the before and after, and it's pretty much a simple build. Just easy cabinets from Lowe's. Simple oven. There's my gas right here. Boink. That I use, and pots and pans. Simple foot pump for water here. Sorry, the mess. But yeah, simple. You know,
Like I said,
easy.
people know we live in these, so
Yeah,
if you came by my bus, if it was here, after lunch, you're going to see dirty dishes.
I know. Yeah,
Guaranteed.
Yeah, let me turn that off. But the bed, obviously, everybody likes storage underneath, and just an easy bed frame. So I did it all myself. Actually, my husband helped me with one piece of plywood. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. That's for sure. And I thought, you know what? I wanted all matching baskets, and I actually like the way it looks with mismatched baskets. And I feel like it looks like I have more room because I don't have the cabinets like a lot of people do. So a lot of people say, "Oh, it's so roomy," but yeah, it does feel roomy. And it's my clothes closet, refrigerator, and a seat belt where you can, you know, it's a nice secure chair that's hooked up to where the bus seat was, and so it's nice and secure for my companions.
Sure.
I guess that's about it. My daughter made the macrame curtain back there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So, taking it to Mexico.
Now she's got to do the other side.
I kind of like it like that, so you can have a little privacy. And so I've taken it to Mexico, California, cross country. Yep. My favorite part's my steps. I'm not sure if you saw them when you came in, but each tile was $13 on the other side. When you leave, you can see them. So it was like $200 and something for each tile. So, but I think that was well worth it.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for the tour.
You're welcome.